Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to retrieve your Jamb password. If you were not given your Jamb password during your registration, I'm going to show you how you can get it. Okay, just calm down and follow my tutorial. Show you how to retrieve your Jamb password. Maybe you register for Jamb and you forgot your password, and then you're trying to log in. You're logging in the wrong number, or the person that registered you didn't give you your password. Your email is your username, but the password is where the problem lies. At times when you register, they forget to give you your password, or maybe they gave you and you weren't paying attention, or they deliberately left it out. They don't want to give you, so that, I don't know, maybe for business purpose they want you to always come back to them, and you really need it now. So just follow these steps to be able to retrieve your Jamb password. So let's go to Jamb website, jamb.org.ng. When you open the site, you come to this place, login. Okay, this is where you enter your email. Your email is your username. Then you come down and enter the password. So there's a problem: invalid email address or password. I'm very sure that the email is correct, because the email appears on the Jamb printout, what I use for the exam. So I'm 100% sure that the email is correct. So the problem lies here in the password. So how do you do that? You have to go into your email. If you are using Gmail, if you use Gmail for the registration, you have to go back to your Gmail. When you get to your Gmail, you come here in this search box, type Jamb Profile. When you type Jamb Profile, you hit your enter and search for it. You see something like this. Look out for something like this. This is your Jamb Profile details. You come down, you will see your name, everything. Then you come down to password. This is what we are looking for. It's usually in your email. If you have created the email before your registration, they will always send you your password. So this is how to retrieve it. So let's go back and try it again. Once you've seen your password, let's go back and try it again. So this is it. I hope you can get your password by following these steps. I wish you all the best, and if you have any problem, you can send me an email or comment on the video. I'll reply. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you what to do if you use the wrong email to create your Jamb profile. So watch out for that tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.